Bertie. George in the front. There he is. Daddy George. There's Birt, the sexual Tyrannosaurus Rex.
No swearing in the video.
Been up all night, no swearing allowed. Look at him, look at Bert's face, look. Birt, show us a smile. Bird's buzzing. Little sunrise. There's Birt and George. There's Birt, the Tyrannosaurus. Alright, me, George and Bertie on the train to Hampie. There he is. Alright, mate. There's George on his bed. Out there, plotted up. Sleeper. There's Bertie. There he is, look, he's already gone to sleep, mate. Been up all night. Alright, look at the face.
I don't keep on the change pace.
Alright, he's going to sleep with a smile on his face, look.
Thinking of Luffy.
Thinking of roof. Here we are. Here we are. Jules and Chloe. Glowy. That was it! Look at the view! Look at the view, man! Don't fuck about, mate. Your footwear in the fucking doorway.
Where are we going now?
Cutters and threads, I thought we were into it. Right, got the fucking Hampie, been here an hour, got bikes. There's Jules, the barterer. There's Birt, the sexual Tyrannosaurus Rex. Paddy Fields there. Sitting in a little bar here, plotted up. First place. I'm going to test the coffee out. George down there. Plotted up in the morning, having his little fucking breakfast. Like fucking sitting there like that. Plotted up, mate. Fucking live it up. We don't fuck about, mate. Where me and Birt and George are staying. Alright, it's Bertie's little mud hut. Number 11 is Bert's. If you go inside. Oh, fuck me. Proper dark, but look. Proper little mud hut, mate. Built out of mud. There's the mud walls. Bertie's bed. It's alright, isn't it? Not bad, mate. Gypsy Bert. Having the first fucking sugar cane juice in HAMPIE. Hey, what up? There's our little bikes there. The old bencher machines. Fucking killed it, mate. These are the roads we're riding on, mate. Have a look. George, cruising around HAMPIE on the bikes. We don't fuck about, mate. Oh, hello, puppy. Puppy! Goldie, HAMPIE. These are the sort of views you can find here, mate. People wanting to come to HAMPIE. It's all a bit like this. Big reservoir there. Look. Get yourself a scooter. Get yourself down here, mate. Oh, diving up the rocks over there into there. Bad little place, mate. Where we stand at Poor?
Yeah, I think so. Poor.
Get me old Oracle boat. We ain't gonna do that though, because we ain't tourists. George did want to do it, but we told him we don't do tourist things.
What's that?
The Oracle boats.
Oh,
Right, we're gonna fucking make our way over there, aren't we, somehow? There he is. Who's that? Where's George? There he is. Putting on his top, he's getting sunburnt, the old scouts. Whitey. We don't fuck about, mate. Hey? We don't fuck about. I want to get in there. George the Babber, look, carrying his little pot. Babber George. Happy Babber.
Because I was here sleeping and that time I wake up. All this water.
This is the waterfall. We was just here. We went
Yeah,
swimming.
the waterfall.
We went swimming here. Oh, so this waterfall is part of this big
That dam
reservoir
there.
dam.
There's the yellow house. See this?
Yeah, the circular hut. Yeah.
The yellow thing.
We were going to walk to that hut there. If we walked to that hut like you said, George, we would have been stuck.
No, but there's a yellow,
Yeah.
tarpaulin I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, yeah, yeah. No way. Look at this.
With the cobra.
sitting in there.
Go inside and see.
I'm gonna.
I'll leave this here.
Take off, huh?
No. Oh, no problem.
It's okay, yeah? Ah, look at this. Huh? Feel the breeze. The wind. Oh, what? Behave, mate.
Bigger rock standing so much less.
Yeah. Look at that. And now that one is resting on that one, resting on that one, resting on that one, resting on that one.
You see the sun's there, it'll be nice in the morning here with the sun behind you.
Colours really dark greens.
Come up here tomorrow morning.
Oh, we've come up there, top of the mountain. We're at the Bambus place. Here we are, we're on a mountain. You can't get any higher than this. Look at this. Bambus place, look. Yeah. Here's Bertie. Where's Bert? Bert's making a video because we're all a bit like fucking nuts. There he is.
Make the bell.
Make the bell, make the bell. It's just too vast.
Before the temple or after the temple? After.
No, this temple is other side. You must cross the river to go to that temple. Island is this side.
Got it up in the Bambus little meditation chill out room. We've got old Baba George over there. And old Baba Bert, yeah. George carried the old gold pot up. There's the fire. I'm just waiting for Hanuman Das, that's his name, to come back. George has got his shoes on, that first faux pas by the Jazz.